Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a line to your footer. So let's get into it. So first thing is this, when you're creating your website, maybe you're going into your page, you're making edits and changes. In this case, this page at the very bottom, as you can see here, this is a demo website. At the bottom of the site, there's this like image. So it doesn't really need a border, but let's say we just have a blank section, for example, something like this. And I'm just going to say this, call now. Okay, so I added a bit of text and now it looks great. But when I take a look at the page, you'll see it kind of just bleeds into the footer. And Squarespace just released a feature to add the line natively, which is awesome, to the header, but not the footer. So I'm going to show you how to add a line to the footer. It's super easy. It's literally one line of code, maybe 2 lines of code, and we're going to make it happen now. So the first thing is this. Let's go to design and then custom CSS. Just make sure you're on a page that you want to be on. I have a bit of code in here already, so I'm just going to move all this out of the way, and then I'm going to go right here. So all you're going to type in is footer, just like this, capital F, and then add in these brackets. And then what we're going to do is do border, top, and then what we're going to do is 1 pixel, solid, and then choose the color. So in this case, I'm just going to go full black, which is 000. If you need the hex code, just Google it. You'll be able to find the hex code for whatever color you want to use. But just like that, you've added a border to your footer. Literally 1 line of code, added a border. Now, you could play with it. You could add 2. You could make this 20. You could make it as thick as you want, whatever you like. In this case, I'm going to keep it at 1 because the navigation up here is at 1 as well. So it just has a really nice look and feel. It also separates the sections, and this is really important. Sometimes if you have a website that you just built for the first time, the footer looks like it's almost part of the page. And so this really helps differentiate that the footer is the end of the page and it's that bottom section so people recognize it right away. So that is it. Just like that, you have added a line to the footer. I have other videos that walk you through how to create an actual footer and design it out. So it's really beautiful. This is just the demo template here. I have not done it in the site. Check out those other videos. But for now, you have a line on your footer. You can make any adjustments you like, from the pixel to this solid. It could be dashed. It could be other things. You could just Google it. Just Google, this is what you'll Google. It could be border anything, but you could just say border top CSS. Okay, so you may come to a page like this and click into it. This is perfect. Okay, great. You could see here are a few options. Solid. You could do dash. You could do, that's solid again. You could do double. You'll see it changes here. You could do ridge. There's like 2 lines here. You could play with this. At the end of the day, there's 3 elements you're adjusting in this 1 line of code. So the actual width, this could be double. It's hard to see with, I think, 1, but let's do 10. You can see 2. And then here is the color. And there's a lot of ways to write the color. You just find the right color that you want to show, and then you add it in, and you're good to go. Just like that. So I'm going to get rid of some of these spaces here, and we're good to go. Hey guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you got value from this video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it lets the YouTube algorithm know some important information, but it lets me know that you got value from this content. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. And with that, if you got value from this video and if you're looking for more content just like this, I publish a new video every single week, if not multiple videos every week. Hit that subscribe button, and with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.